I'm gonna hit.
What up, guys? Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers. Today we're here to bring you the Narrows. This is a little spot down in Bullhead. It's mostly just a sand wash you drive through. We're gonna see what we have in store. There's some really nice tight spots for something as big as Monstro, about 81 inches wide. So we're gonna see what it is today and show you guys what kind of fun we have.
How it's all a little wobbly though.
Yes, I know we need a 67 designs, but money's tight right now, so it is what it is. That means 67 designs is the premier stuff. We just can't afford it, unfortunately. Maybe one day for our YouTube channel.
Just saying. Oh, it's gonna get narrow here. Oh my god.
We're only 81 inches wide. That's, I mean, 1 ton wide, but hey,
How wide is Pop? How wide is Brandon?
Brandon is probably about the same now. Your dad is probably only upper 70s.
Oh my god. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, it looks cool.
I guess we could always back up on these pinch points, huh?
Oh, yeah. Oof, I gotta watch the roof. Hang on, meow.
Watch out for that rock that we saw on the video, Joes.
Oh, yeah, thanks for warning me.
No, I'm just saying, let's see if we can find it.
What rock? What are you guys talking
There's a
about?
rock that looked like it was just hanging there. But like
Yeah, it was
by
like,
nothing,
oh my
by a little
gosh.
tiny rock.
Oh, babe.
Nice!
Ooh, exploration spot.
Yeah,
on
it is.
foot.
Yeah.
Do you think we're gonna fit? No, seriously though. This is like we can't back up. Just so you know.
You can't even get out.
Oh, this is so sketchy.
You've got like fucking 2 feet on this
We
side.
got
This side
we
is
got
good,
quite a bit
too.
over here too.
Oh, yeah.
So.
It just looks like it.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, you've got plenty of room over here, Jonas.
Yeah, but
How we doing back there?
you got about 3 inches.
You're good. Yeah.
You're good on this side too.
Holy shiznit a bam. Snip snap. Okay.
I maybe
much.
get out.
And turn that way just a tad. Yep, a little bit this way. Yep, and swing around.
That was a little sketchy, man. This thing's huge. Here we go, more tights.
Not that bad. Step right here. It's kind of cold in here.
It is. No sun.
Brr. Okay. You're gonna fit perfect, so. Yep. You're fine on this side. You got about that much over here, and about this much on this side. Okay. Done. Sunshine. Well, there's a boulder up here. You'll be happy.
Screw this narrow crap. Give me a boulder.
Okay.
Okay. stress level's gone down. That last spot back there, oh my God. I would recommend, like, take your fucking top off, maybe take your doors off if you're worried about the width of your vehicle, because that right there just stressed me out. I mean, I've been rock crawling and got less stressed out than that. That was tight for this thing.
Get wedged
Does
in
not
there.
play well. Yeah, I was like, great, I'm gonna get wedged in.
we found an oasis. It is beautiful. And in this oasis, there is a wrecked vehicle back here. I'll show you guys. Back in here. There we go. Wow. Check it out. This is awesome. Arizona is beautiful. My sisters went back in there. Hopefully they're taking video.
This was pretty intense. But once I found out that was the only tight spot, it wasn't too bad. I certainly wouldn't like regularly bring people up here because as it changes, that might be different. Like 2 doors and littler vehicles, no problemo. Like Jamie, your Patriot would make it up in here, no problem. And it would be so much easier to navigate because some of these, you know, it's not that it's so narrow, but it's narrow right where it makes a dang S-curve. Like right here, you can see it starts S-curving all over the place, which isn't a big deal. But when it gets super narrow and S-curves, then it's kind of a big deal.
You guys, this was really cool though.
It was.
And a really cool experience to see. Leave a comment below and let us know if you would take your rig through here, because we would love to bring y'all out if you want to come. I mean, it's nothing technical, but it is tight and deceiving. Let's put it that way, deceiving.
Without the top, it would be better.
It would be cool going through there and like when it's warmer with all the shit off.
Mm-hmm. Well, because without the top, it shaves a lot of my width in the back off. You know what I mean? Basically, everything from behind this roll bar is gone.
Well, I feel like without the doors, you can see more too.
Oh,
Check it out how the rocks just hang off the wall.
Just waiting to kill you.
Right? They just hang there.
Yeah, we should have sent somebody out
Look.
for a picture.
Here's how close we are to the wall. Crazy. How about you, babe? What does yours look like?
I got a foot, couple inches to the tires.
gotta go. Let's go.
This is like for razors.
There's now. I don't know if to deal with it.
That was fun.